Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how to cook boiled dumpling. A lot of people have been requesting and asking me how to make the dumpling, so today I'm going to show you. You can eat the dumpling with whatever you want to eat, with curry chicken, brown stew chicken, oxtail, whatever you want to eat it with, callaloo, anything you want to eat it with, okay? So stay tuned if you're interested. By the way, have you subscribed to my channel yet? Subscribe, man. What keep you so long? Subscribe. Thank you. Yes, so I have the flour here and I had a little salt. I'm going to start mixing it now. Yeah, this is what it should look like when you're finished. You know, nice and doughy. Now I'm going to mix it now and show you when I start shaping the dumplings what it look like. All right? All right. Yeah, this is how, you know, I make it. You can make yours bigger, you can make it smaller, but this is the size that I like, you know. And when the dumpling is finished, you're going to see everything swim on the top. You see now everything is at the bottom. Later on when it's all done, give it about 20 minutes. So I'm covering back the pot and I'm going to put a pinch of salt in it. If you notice, you see my dumpling start swimming on the top. Look at it. No longer laying at the bottom flat. It's swimming now. So 5 more minutes, the dumpling finished, ready to eat. So my dumplings all done. I'm going to take them out of the pot now, put them in a plate, start eating some.